just stepped in something wet. I'm hoping that's water. I don't know what else it would be though. It's my kitchen. What's up? Hello, happy April. In this video, I'm going to be spring cleaning, but it's probably going to be over the week because I have to work this week and I'm tired when I get home, so I can only do so much. But today I am going to challenge myself. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set up dinner. I'm gonna make a popcorn chicken salad, and the popcorn chicken is gonna be heated up in the oven. So I'm gonna set everything up, preheat the oven, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm challenging myself to clean while the oven is preheating and the chicken is in the oven cooking. I've been slacking a little bit because I have been very fatigued, and I have a video about that, so definitely check that out if you want to know more details. But this place is pretty dirty, honestly, at least for me it is. So I'm excited to get it back in shape. I want to get to it. The oven just beeped, which means that it's ready to go. So I'm gonna put my chicken in, put the timer on for 12 minutes, and it is a race against time to finish cleaning this kitchen. Let's go. The timer just went off, so I'm gonna take a pause to take my chicken out of the oven, and then I'm going to finish cleaning the kitchen. We're almost done. I'm gonna guess I went like 5 minutes over time, but the kitchen's clean now and I'm gonna make dinner. Here is the finished meal. We've got a popcorn chicken salad. I've got like a spring lettuce mix in there, some raw broccoli, some blueberries, some dried cranberries, which are craisins. And then I put some olive oil on that. Then I put the chicken on top and put some dollops of barbecue sauce on it. And then for my drink, I've got a strawberry banana smoothie mixed with some grapefruit juice. And there is a reason why I love smoothies. No, it's not just because there are fruits and vegetables in them. Check out my video that touches on that. But I'm gonna eat this because I do not want the chicken to be cold by the time I get to it. Hello everyone, it is Monday. Yes, it has been almost a week since I last filmed. Yeah, I was very fatigued. Can't really do much about that. Yesterday I was in bed all day. The one thing I did do was my taxes. Woo! Not fun, but something that needs to get done, so I did that. And right now I'm going to do some laundry. We're on my dryer right now. And I'm gonna do something I've never done, bleaching my white clothes and my white bedding. I read some articles and it looks like the consensus is just to like dilute the bleach. I also have a like drawer that I can put it in. I never put detergent in there because I have Tide Pods, so I think I'm going to try that. Okay, so it turns out I'm just going to try washing with bleach my bedding, because when I was looking at the clothing items that I wanted to try washing with bleach, they all say do not bleach. Now the bedding does say do not wash with chlorine bleach or wash with non-chlorine bleach, and there is a little bit of chlorine in the bleach that I have, but I am gonna dilute it. I don't know if that's gonna be a mistake or not, but I guess we're gonna find out. All right, here's to hoping for the best. All right, I am at Walmart. This is not spring cleaning, but I thought I would bring you along with me anyway, so let's go. Here's a little grocery haul of all of the cold, refrigerated, and frozen foods that I got. And here is all the room temp food. Next order of business is the bathroom. When you walk in, this is what you see. I think at a first glance it looks all right, but there's just toothpaste stains and kind of like water stains all on the counter. The faucet has some water stains on it, doesn't look too great. We've also got water and probably a little bit of toothpaste splatter on the mirror. I think the bleach did a really good job. You can see the white is a pretty bright, pure white. So that's really great. I'm really happy about that. And now I'm gonna put my bed back together. So as I'm sorting my laundry, I'm coming across items and clothing that I wanted to put in my bleached load, but I just totally forgot about. I have 3 pairs of these white socks and they still look pretty good. I mean, they're pretty new, but you can definitely see there's like some dirt kind of staining on them. And then I also have this white hoodie. Clearly you can see I already put it away, but I guess it doesn't have it anymore, but sometimes it gets like yellow stains under the pits. I don't know if that's me sweating. I'm not a big sweater, but I just feel like it's not as pure white as it was when I first got it. At this point, it's too late. I'll do it, you know, in another load, maybe next week. I am about to do a 3rd load, and that's a lot of loads for one day, so I'm cutting myself off. Last load of the day. I think I'm gonna put it on the towel setting. Oh geez, that will take so long. Okay, I'm just gonna put it on regular. I don't think it really needs anything special in an hour and 30 minutes or whatever the heck it was. It's a little cray-cray. With that, I am calling it quits for today and I'm gonna have dinner because it's now 6:23 p.m. And then I really want to clean the inside of my fridge, specifically the shelves. But I just went grocery shopping today. It's pretty full. And also, as I mentioned, I need dinner and the sun's going down. So I think it's possible I could do that tomorrow, depending on how much energy I have. Probably not likely, but I really just want to get my cleaning done. And also, I really want to get this video done. I've had my dinner, so now my last order of business is putting all of my floor mats back in my bathroom because they are done drying. So I will see you when I am ready to clean my fridge. All right, it is Wednesday and I am ready to do some spring cleaning to my fridge. Funnily enough, I happened to write a little article all about how to do this 2 years ago when I was a dietetic intern. So I read that to refresh my memory. I'll put it in the description if you want to read it. However, I'm going to make a couple changes to what I recommended, just because I think it's going to make a little bit more sense for me. So let's take a look at the state of my fridge. Okay, so this is my fridge. Got some food in it, clearly. I would like to think it's pretty clean, but what I'm mostly horrified with are the shelves. If I do a little close-up, maybe you can see what I'm talking about. I've got like little grape stems. I don't know what the heck that is, but yeah, I want to fix that. I don't feel like I need to do as in-depth of a cleaning as one could do, because I just moved in here like what, 5 months ago, and I feel like I've kept my fridge fairly clean, so I'm not gonna like wipe down the walls or anything, but I really want to focus on the shelves. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the food out off of one shelf and try to fit it on the other shelves, and then I'll take a shelf out and I'm gonna wait for 15 minutes to make sure that the glass will not crack when I go to wash it with warm soapy water. Wash it, put it back in, switch it out with another shelf. Here's our current situation. I'm wondering if I can like separate this shelf from the drawer, but I'm not sure. Oh, no, it's looking good. Be careful though. I think I can just pick off the stems. And I will be back in 15 minutes to wash these off. Why did I not think about going this way? I don't know, man. I'm just gonna go ahead and dry this off with a towel because I don't want to wait for it to air dry. My gosh, look, you have to see what I found. A sticker. And what does it say? Remove, discard. How long has that been on there? That doesn't need to be there. Here is our finished fridge. So I cleaned this shelf, this drawer, this shelf, and these two drawers, and I think it shows. Comparison. Yeah, I'm loving that. Quick note on why I did not clean the inside of my freezer. I feel like it's fairly clean, you know, just to expose myself is what it looks like. So chose not to do it this time. It is 8:30 already. I cannot believe it, but I am done cleaning my fridge. I want to go to bed, hopefully within the next 30 minutes. If you enjoyed today's video, then definitely check out my October cleaning video because I think you'll really enjoy that one. Quick reminder, if you have not filed your taxes, you're late, but better late than never, so go file them. If you want to keep up to date with me and everything that I am doing, make sure you follow me over on Instagram at moniqueava.nutrition. Thank you so much for your time, especially those of you that are still here watching to the end. I really appreciate you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!